On today's video I'll show you how you can use WhatsApp on your PC. So it's basically the same like using on mobile. Like what you do in mobile is like you install the application, then you use, right? So the same thing goes here as well. So just search for the WhatsApp on the Google, then go to this WhatsApp website, okay, and then you need to download the WhatsApp for the Windows. Okay, so here's the download option on the top, and if I click on that, so here you can download for the phones, you can download for Mac or Windows PC. So it had detected my PC, which is Windows 64-bit, and I'll just go through this download option. Okay, alright, so once the WhatsApp is downloaded, I'll just go through the installation, then I'll put the mobile number that I used for WhatsApp earlier. Okay, so it's basically the same thing. So it's all about installing a new application. As you can see on the bottom, it is downloading. Okay, I'll just pause this downloading because I'm just showing you guys. So once the application is downloaded, you can sign in on the WhatsApp using the same phone number you have on your mobile, and then you can use the WhatsApp. Okay, so the thing is, first thing is you need to download and install the WhatsApp on your desktop, and then you can like sign in using the same phone number, and yeah, then you'll receive the codes. You can go through this video to see the details. Okay, so yeah, it's the same thing using the WhatsApp on your mobile or either on your PC. You can just go through. You can log in using like barcode. You don't need to put your mobile number and password detail as well. Thank you so much for watching. That's how you can use WhatsApp on your PC.